Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is your friend and neighbor, Dr. Jimmy128, and now we are going to be doing the assembly video. So I have my motherboard set up here, I have my processor, my RAM, and I have everything else now where it needs to be. And then we have someone calling Chevy. So let's now get to the building. I hope you enjoy this. It's going to be another fast forward Sherva. Alright, Dr. Jimmy, here we go.
Holds a grudge that I cannot take, nor I can summarize. Funny you should ask, so I wouldn't call it sane. It's my 2-pound relationship, a deadly, deadly game. She was a 5'6" on a scale of 1 to 10. Sleeps 24/7, owns a 5110. Living in the past has brought her to her knees, staring at stone cast corners and English. She told me, sorry I got wasted. I'm sorry I got wasted. I'm sorry I got wasted. With everybody wasted almost all the time. Well, she don't
now, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. This is now everything installed. So we have the processor, we have the Cooler Master V8 GTS, we have the RAM. Here's our beautiful video card. Here's our power supply. And looking at everything, you know, I couldn't be happier with the results. The wire management looks really clean, and the back, yeah, it's very decent. So I hope you guys enjoyed that build video. Stay tuned for the benchmarks and etc. I'm going to install Windows 7 on this baby and run Battlefield 4 and all those other games. Test it out. Hope you guys enjoyed that. This is your friendly neighbor, Dr. Jimmy. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you think that the camera work could use a little more work. I mean, this is the second time I've done a video like this, so hopefully a couple of things have improved. And yeah, so subscribe, leave a comment, suggestions. I really appreciate suggestions. If it's about the chicken in the background, I'm sorry, I really can't do anything about that. So this has been your friend and neighbor, Dr. Jimmy, saying too much, signing off.